Oh look, here's some chapstick that somebody left us. We'll use it with a cotton ball. All right, this is a good find. We can use this with any fabric or cotton ball to get an extended flame to make dampish, kindling, and tinders ignite. So when we get home, we'll try this out. And it doesn't have to be just Vaseline or chapstick. Any oil, grease, or fat will do the same thing. All right, we'll saturate this into a cotton ball and try it out on a log cabin fire lay. All right, I did not realize that this oak was so degraded. But let's see what we can come up with. Let's put a big base on the bottom. And very wide for some logs, but I better use it like that. How about that? About a 2-level, 3-level log cabin fire lay. We'll give it a shot. All right, here's the cotton ball. Now let's see how much we have to work with. How much chapstick? Oh, not very much. Let's see if we can dig it out of there. That's about it. I'm going to saturate that through and through because I believe that my ferro rod will still ignite it. And we can use this for fire starter also. We'll put it in on top of the flame. Yeah. See if we can ignite it right there. Bayite keyring ferro rod. More companion stainless steel. let's go to work. Put my earplugs in. I did a good job for such a small piece of chapstick, like 3/8 of an inch by 3/8 of an inch. So, all right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.